Hi, and welcome to the Hive on Ellendale. My name is Esther, and I'm going to give you a tour of everything that the Hive on Ellendale has to offer. Come on, let's take a tour. The Hive on Ellendale is a newly renovated apartment complex, just a 3-minute walk from the village that features your favorite stores like Starbucks and Target, plus Trader Joe's. And it's so close to USC. And with a bus stop just a block away and hassle-free parking, everything's right at your fingertips. Here at the Hive, we offer spacious 2-bedroom and luxurious 5-bedroom homes designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. Each apartment is fully furnished and equipped with modern stainless steel appliances and high-speed internet. Beyond the exceptional living spaces, we offer a range of amenities, including a beautifully designed lounge area for you to hang out, a secure package nexus system for added convenience, and to foster connections among our residents, we host exciting resident events, creating opportunities to build friendships and fun memories. Not only do our residents love living here in our community, but they also find their hive here. So what do you want to see first? Our amazing amenities or stunning apartments? Click below, and I can't wait to take you on a tour.